All right, guys, this is the last question that was on the quiz. We did not have time to go over. If you notice, it is a quadratic. We have two quadratic terms again. However, we have two trig functions. So we either need to get it all in terms of sine or all in terms of cosine. We would do that using one of our Pythagorean identities, sine squared x plus cosine squared x equals to 1. I'm going to just choose to substitute this one. You could, honestly, there's two flavors of this that will end in the same solution. So to get sine squared x by itself, I would have to subtract by cosine squared x on both sides. And then at that point, I will substitute for the sine squared x. So 2, and then the substitution for sine squared x would be 1 minus cosine squared x plus 4 equals to 2 cosine squared x plus 6. Okay, now to simplify this, I'm going to distribute. So 2 times 1 is 2. 2 times a negative cosine squared x is negative 2 cosine squared x plus 4 equals to 2 cosine squared x plus 6. If you wanted to, at this point, we could do the u substitution. U is cosine of x. Now that we're all in terms of cosine, I guess I could have done that even a step prior. It's not necessary at all, but if it helps you to kind of make the problem a little less involved, 2 minus 2 cosine x would be u squared plus 4 equals 2 u squared plus 6. Okay, I see a 2 and a 4 that can combine, giving us 6 minus 2u squared equals 2u squared plus 6. All right, getting common denominator, or not common denominator, but getting things together. I will move this over. Again, either way we could do this. Let's move the 6 over. So subtracting 6, we get negative 2u squared equals to 2u squared. I set it equal to 0, add by 2u squared on both sides. 0 equals 4u squared. We only have a quadratic term, and so similar to what we did on part B, a couple problems previous, we can just solve for the u. So divide by 4, 0 divided by 4 is 0. 0 is u squared, square root of both sides. We get u plus or minus square root of 0, which is just 0. 0 is neither positive nor negative. U goes back to being cosine of x equals to 0. And so then we're looking at the unit circle. Cosine is the x on the unit circle. So we're looking at where does x, not this x, but as in like a general point on this. If this was theta, then this is cosine theta, sine theta. So our x coordinate of the unit circle, is going to be our cosine coordinate. So where does cosine equal to 0? One more time. That's where our x coordinate equals to 0. So if x equals to 0, that is here at 0, 1, and here at 0, negative 1, which angle-wise would be at 90 degrees and also at 270 degrees. That's our final answer for our piece there. All right, hope this is helpful. Bye, guys.